What up guys, Gabe with Tight Lines here. Today we're going to do something a little bit different. We're going to do an unboxing of a YakAttack BlackPak. You're probably wondering, what is a BlackPak? Why do I need it? Why do I want it? And what's it used for? A BlackPak is made by the company YakAttack, who specializes in high-quality kayak accessories and fishing gear. The BlackPak is one of their best-selling products and is used for fishing tackle management, rod storage, and includes additional attachment points for various other accessories. You can customize the BlackPak to fit your unique needs, whatever that may be. It just so happens that I received my BlackPak in the mail from Austin Kayak today. Let's get to the unboxing. This is how the package arrived from the delivery service. There was no extra cardboard or anything, so get to open it up here. First thing we have is some bubble wrap. Looks like it's taped down a little bit. Looks like got some rod holders. Looks like a bag of hardware, clips, and nuts, bolts, washers, retainers, that kind of stuff. We got 3 of the YakAttack rod holders, and these will get fixed mounted to the side of the BlackPak. 3 of those. What else we got in here? Looks like, oh sweet, YakAttack sticker. That's always nice for the kayak. And assembly guide. Looks like detailed instructions on how to put it all together. And then we have the BlackPak sidewalls. Looks like we also have the rails. And looks like a top or a bottom here. So that's it. That's all that comes in the package. Let's get it put together. I have already completed step 1, which is basically go through, make sure that you have everything that you need. They also say take a 7/16 ratchet wrench or 7/16 adjustable wrench and a screwdriver. Next thing is lay down these rails on the ground. Make sure you take your side plates here, and we're going to affix these inside of the rail. Here's the BlackPak after we got it all put together. I added a bona fide sticker to the top just for some extra flair. You can see the Austin Kayak logo kind of engraved in the top. One of the things I did differently than probably most people is the rod holders are supposed to be mounted here on the side or on the other side. I didn't like the way it sat in the kayak, so there are 2 mounting holes on the back. I drilled out the middle one to add that 3rd rod holder there. Yeah, it blocks the handle, but it actually fits in the kayak much better, and it's easier to reach the rods when they're behind you. Well, thanks for checking out the video. If you enjoyed the content, please like and subscribe down below. I left a link for the YakAttack BlackPak in the description of the video, so if you want to go check that out. Feel free to leave comments, and if you're going out fishing, as always, best of luck and tight lines.